Are you ready to break free from the Groundhog Day of struggle and mediocrity and just not making progress toward your goals and dreams? I'll give you a little secret. Stop arguing for your perceived limitations, because here's the thing. You are a limitless being. You have infinite power and potential, but you're arguing for what you perceive to be your limitations. Any limitation is a construct. It is something that you've bought into, because everything is a story, everything is perception. So if you're saying things like, I can't because, or I don't have enough money, I don't have enough energy, I don't have enough time, I can't because I don't know enough, I can't because I'm not smart enough. Do you see how these identity beliefs, any I am or I am not belief, is an identity belief? These are keeping you imprisoned in false limitation. There are no limitations on what you can create. So stop arguing for these limitations. Every time you hear that little voice in your head say, oh, I can't because I don't know how, that's just BS that you are buying into. Belief systems, limiting belief systems that you are buying into, and you are going to continue to create like exactly what you've got right now if you keep buying into this nonsense. So enough already. Enough of the nonsense. It is time to argue for what you're capable of, and you are capable of achieving anything you put your mind to. I believe in you, which, let me just share with you 4 of the primary things that hold people back. It is lack of belief, lack of confidence, lack of self-worth, and lack of self-love. So go to work, the internal work. You know I love EFT tapping, that's this technique, at building that self-belief, that self-worth, that self-confidence, and loving yourself unconditionally, and you will be unstoppable. If you want to be unstoppable, that is one of the primary keys. Master your mindset. Master your state of being, love yourself into wealth, and stop arguing for your limitations. Do you know that there is no wealthy and successful person I have ever met who ever says, I can't do that? They always say, how can I? So wipe I can't from your vocabulary and always look for solutions, look for ways. There is never a problem or challenge that you cannot solve. You are bigger than any problem or challenge you will ever face, and there is a solution to every problem. Life is literally just a series of problems that we face every day that we have an opportunity to solve. So become a master at solving problems, and you will master life. Now, if this tip has helped you, then do me a favor, like and subscribe, comment below, let me know how it landed for you. And if you would like more help on creating your wealth and your life by design, then register below for my free Create Your Wealth by Design workshop. The link is in the description. It's totally free. I look forward to seeing you on that workshop. And if you would like another video to help you to master your mindset, then why not check out this video next? This is actually all about mastering your state of being, because once you master your state of being, you master life. So I look forward to seeing you in that video next.